The biggest highlight of this seat is that there's a one-touch bed conversion button on the remote control panel. When you press it, the seat will automatically transform into a bed. After you press the button, the seat will automatically slide forward along the track to a designated position. Then, the backrest and seat cushion will flip and lay flat. Since this vehicle is a Mercedes-Benz Vito business van, the rear section of this model, we have a space length of 1.8 meters, so after we lay it flat, the backrest reclines backward and the seat cushion flips forward. After flipping and laying flat, it forms a length of 1.7 meters. At this point, we still don't have the full 1.8 meters in length, but this seat has a feature where the headrest can slide forward. Right now, there's still some space between the headrest and the trunk area. It also has an electric remote control button, which allows it to extend forward. This gives you an extra 10 centimeters of space, so it can reach all the way to the rear door, making full use of the space in the back row. This way, you can create a double bed as long as 1.8 meters. Let me lie down and show everyone. It's more than enough for 2 adults. For resting or camping. Another feature of this seat is that after it transforms into a bed, it automatically lowers itself. Let's take a look at how much headroom we still have. I'm 1.83 meters tall, and even when I sit up straight, there's still at least 20 centimeters of headroom above me. So whether we're camping or resting, even in a business van with a relatively low roof, we won't feel cramped. We can use this large bed in the back row very naturally and comfortably. As for this seat, we just showed everyone the one-touch automatic bed conversion feature, and the height is also very suitable. Plus, this seat has other fun modes as well. For example, right now it's in the flat position. Let me show you how it works. In sightseeing mode, we can park the car at a scenic spot or a campsite, open the rear tailgate, and then adjust the seat from bed mode to a certain position. This is a semi-reclining position facing backward, which allows us to enjoy a sightseeing mode. As you can see, this is our seat cushion, and you can adjust it as needed. Then we can lie down on it. You can fully stretch out your long legs. Whether we park by a snowy mountain on a grassland or in a scenic area with beautiful views, you can recline like this, scroll on your phone, sip some coffee, and enjoy the scenery. It's a truly relaxing experience. Okay, that's one mode. There's another mode as well, which is our chaise lounge mode. This mode is also quite simple. On the other hand, we can raise the backrest and flatten the seat cushion to create a semi-reclining position facing forward. Let me show you how that looks. Alright, the mode I'm showing you now is our semi-reclining mode. You could call it the Jayu slouch or the chaise lounge position. In this mode, you can fully stretch out your legs and straighten them. Enjoying a very large reclining angle, it's extremely comfortable. Next, let me introduce a safety feature of this seat, which is also our own innovation. It's an anti-pinch function installed on our 3-fold electric seat with the one-touch bed conversion. Let's take a look since we have the one-touch flattening feature. So this function is designed to prevent situations where, for example, children or even adults might accidentally touch the switch. If someone accidentally activates the one-touch flattening feature, the seat will automatically unfold as preset. During this unfolding process, if there is an obstacle at the front or rear of the seat, the anti-pinch function will kick in. Now let's say during the one-touch bed conversion process there is luggage in the trunk, like a suitcase for example. When the seat automatically unfolds and there is weight pressing down, imagine I am a piece of luggage, at this point the system will automatically sense it and stop. It will stop automatically. Then, we need to remove the obstacle before we can press the button again to convert the seat into a bed. It will then continue to convert into a bed, and when we have luggage, as long as we press it, it will automatically stop. This is also a very smart and user-friendly design feature of our seat. Just now, we demonstrated the stop function when there is an obstacle in the luggage compartment behind the backrest. Now let's suppose there might also be an obstacle in front. In that case, it also needs to have an anti-pinch function. So let's take a look at the seat cushion as it moves forward. At this point, let's assume I am a piece of luggage. I am an object. As you can see, when it pinches me, it automatically stops. It stops automatically first, and then, after we remove the obstacle, we can continue to adjust it forward or backward. So this anti-pinch function is also a very good feature, preventing accidents from happening. This also shows the care and attention our team put into the development process. Okay, let me introduce another feature. In the middle of this seat, we have a central armrest box. On top of this armrest box, there is also a manual switch. What does this manual switch control? It controls the electric sliding track function for the rear passengers, allowing them to move the seat forward and backward. When our passengers sit down,